Hi, I'm JayDee with your Main Ford of Columbus, and today I'm going to show you how to remove and install the soft top on your four-door Bronco. So with the soft top, we have three options. We can partially open it, fully open it, or completely remove it. I'm going to show you how to do all three, starting with the first step. Step one's pretty simple. We just have two latches in the top here. So you drop the visor, pull your latch down, and then you're just going to raise it up and push it to the back. So this is what it looks like with it partially opened. What we need to do, we need to remove the rear windows in order to get it fully opened. All right, now we're back here in this rear window. We're going to undo the Velcro, and then it kind of pops out here a little bit. Then we have three clips. 1, 2, 3. And then she will slide out of the base here. Same operation here on the passenger side. So just undo our Velcro, pop it out here. We've got three clips. Those. And she will slide out. And now that we have the side rear windows out, we're going to remove the big one. So undo the Velcro and lift it all the way up. And we have our four clips here. And there is an arrow here, clip in there. Pull that out. And she's going to slide out. And the next step is to pull this latch here. It's only on the driver's side. Unlocks the rear section. So then we are able to go back. And you hear it lock into place. And this is what the soft top looks like in the fully open position. And next I'm going to show you how to completely remove this. And for the next step, we're going to remove the cover here. And there's going to be 3 bolts back here. The next step is to remove these 3 bolts. You're going to want to use your 13mm socket from your toolkit. Also recommend putting a towel down in here to catch these in case they fall. Once you get your 6 bolts out, then all you got to do is get a friend and then pull the latch here, and she's ready to come off. So this is what your four-door Bronco looks like with the soft top completely removed. Now we're going to show you how to install it. Our next step is to get the soft top back up into the open position. And by doing that, we just pull this latch here and you're good to raise it back up. Next, you must install the middle window first. I'll show you how we do that. Okay. Up. Make sure you clips inside. You want to make sure we get the bottom piece in here. Secure. Secure. After you get the rear section installed, you want to come around and do the driver's side next. When you do the side windows, keep in mind that the narrow side goes toward the rear. And then with these, just like the back, we get this guy started in the channel here. With that, then we want to pop the side pieces in. The last section we get tucked in here. Wiggle it in. And then when you're already clipped up, then we just make sure the Velcro is tight. Narrow goes towards the rear. After you've lined up the front, just come back here, same thing at the back. Make sure this corner is under. And to close it from the partially open position, we just pull this latch here, and then it's free. You just push her up. And then we have our two latches in here, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger. This latch. That is how you remove and install the soft top on your four-door Bronco. If you're interested in learning more about the hard top, we've got a video of that on our channel as well. If you're interested in test driving this exact Bronco, please visit JermaineFord.com.